Hello and welcome to Carlson PhotoCapture. In this video, we will be looking at how to start a project by uploading your aerial imagery data and adding your ground control points, or GCPs, into Carlson PhotoCapture. Once you have logged in and have an overview of your project's dashboard, you want to hit the Create Plus button on the left. This will give you a screen where you can click to upload your imagery project or your imagery plus your LiDAR project dataset. For this tutorial, we will only be uploading an imagery dataset. If you would like to learn more about LiDAR, please see the video for creating a LiDAR plus imagery project. The project that we will be looking at is of an office building and parking lot located in Watertown, Massachusetts. Click Next and then continue to upload your media by dragging and dropping from another window or clicking the text to browse your files. Once your files have been dropped, the location of the project footprints will immediately be located on the world map. On this page, you can also see a list of all images uploaded, how large they are, and how fast they were uploaded. You can hit Next and you will be asked if you have GCPs available. If you do have GCPs, then you can upload them. Be sure to set the correct reference point coordinate system that your GCPs were originally calibrated to. In this project's case, our GCP dataset is set to latitude and longitude, so we will set it to that. The software also has auto detection, so it may suggest a coordinate system to you. Like when we click Next and have to select the output coordinate system, it suggests this. You can know that it is a suggestion when you see this icon. If you do not have GCPs, you may select No and continue on. Please reference the video tutorial on using the Reference Point Manager tab to create tie points on your map for the best calibration of your images. Hitting Next, we have the ability to rename the project and toggle whether or not you want to share this project with the Carlson PhotoCapture team for support reasons. You can also click the three-dot advanced options to toggle what kind of email notifications you would like for the project's progress. Next, you can toggle what deliverables you would like to render. Those available to you are Dense Point Cloud, Surface Model, Digital Elevation Model, and Orthomosaic. Next, you can toggle what deliverables you would like the software to render. Your project will then begin uploading and working on the GCP corrections. Upon loading your GCP corrections, you will be brought to the Reference Point Manager where you will need to put the pinpoint in the GCP's crosshairs. Once you have pinpointed 2 or 3 points, the software's automatic pinpoint extraction feature will automatically recognize the point and will put the point in the crosshairs as you move to the next picture. Be sure to double check that all photos are pinpointed correctly. You can right-click to get to the next image more quickly. As you do this, the lines in the 3D model on the left will start to turn green, showing they have been appropriately allocated to each picture. Once that GCP has been calibrated, the Reference Point Manager will go on to the other GCPs you have listed. Go through the same process with these. Once you are set and everything looks good, you can continue to process the project. It may take some time for your project to process. If toggled, you will receive an email when each deliverable is finished processing. Please see our tutorials playlist for more videos on how to use Carlson PhotoCapture.